फास्ट ज्यूट मिल ऑफ ओडिशा।
ଧାନମଣ୍ଡଳ
कोणार्क ज्यूट मिल कोठी अछि एटा?
पुरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट
कोणार्क ज्यूट मिल। फास्ट वुमेन ऑथर टू रिसीव साहित्य एकेडमी अवार्ड।
ପ୍ରତିଭା ରାୟ
वीणा पाणी महांती। फास्ट वुमेन ऑथर टू रिसीव साहित्य एकेडमी अवार्ड। फास्ट पोर्ट ऑफ ओडिशा।
पारादीप
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ
फास्ट पोर्ट चांदीपुर।
ଚାନ୍ଦବାଲି ନା
चांदीपुर चांदीपुर।
ଚାନ୍ଦିପୁର
फास्ट न्यूज़पेपर ऑफ ओडिशा।
ଦୈନିକ ଆସ୍ଥା
उत्कल दीपिका।
दैनिक आशा
फास्ट प्रिंटिंग प्रेस ऑफ ओडिशा।
उत्कल प्रिंटिंग प्रेस
उत्कल प्रिंटिंग प्रेस।
ଉତ୍କଳ ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟିଂ ପ୍ରେସ୍
फास्ट डेली न्यूज़पेपर।
ଦୈନିକ ଆସ୍ଥା
दैनिक आशा। ओडिया रे बहुत किछि अछि फास्ट हैला आउ ପରେ ଦେଖିବା। वर्तमान पचारिबा ओनली क्वेश्चन पचारिबी इतिहास को नहीं। आज बहुत क्वेश्चन पड़ितला नहीं। व्हाट वाज द हिस्टोरिकल नेम ऑफ सिटी ऑफ भुवनेश्वर? एकाम्र क्षेत्र पुरी कोणार्क नन ऑफ दिस।
ଏକାମ୍ର
एकाम्र क्षेत्र
एकाम्र क्षेत्र। व्हाट इज द प्री हिस्टोरिक नेम ऑफ ओडिशा? उत्कल कलिंग कोशल
କଳିଙ୍ଗ
ଉଡ୍ର
उड्र
ଉଡ୍ର
उड्र 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 उड्र। What was the historical name of region that encompasses present day western Odisha? कलिंग उत्कल
कोशल
दक्षिण कोशल मगध।
कोशल
कोशल बिल्कुल। एठी उत्कल देइछि भूल देइछि कि? देखिबो टे नो योर स्टेट रे कोन देइछि। Which of the following is a Buddhist literary source of Odisha's ancient history? हर्षचरित, बृहत् संहिता, कुरु धर्म जातक, आवश्यक नियोग।
ଗୁରୁଧର୍ମ ଜାତକ
गुरु धर्म जातक
गुरु धर्म जातक। Greek historian Pliny mentions Odisha by which name? कलिंग, कोशल, उड्र, तोसाली।
କଳିଙ୍ଗ
कोशल
कलिंग कलिंग। The language of Hathi Gumpha inscription is dash. Tamil, Pali, Telugu, Magadhi.
पाली
Pali.
पाली
What was the capital of Kalinga after its annexation with Magadha Empire? Tosali, Sisupalgarh, Samapo, Dantapura.
ଦନ୍ତପୁରା
After annexation of with Magadha Empire, ମିଶିବା ପରେ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? ତୋଷାଳୀ। Which ancient Mathura king declared himself as Lord of Kalinga? विशाखा बर्मन, उमा बर्मन, प्रभंजन बर्मन, शक्ति बर्मन।
ଉମା ବର୍ମନ
उमा बर्मन। Who were the rulers of Kalinga before the establishment of Maurya dynasty? मौर्य वंश प्रतिष्ठा पूର୍ବରୁ କଳିଙ୍ଗର ଶାସକ କିଏ ଥିଲେ?
नंदस नंदस
ନନ୍ଦ, very good, ନନ୍ଦ। Which coins suggest that trade and commerce existed in Odisha? କୁଷାଣ, ନାଳ, ପଞ୍ଚ marked coins, ଗୁପ୍ତ coins। ଗୁପ୍ତ coins, ଗୁପ୍ତ coins। Gupta gold coins. Which of the following belongs to prehistoric site in Odisha? Belongs to Neolithic era, sorry. ବାରିପଦା, ବାରବାଟୀ, ଉଦୟଗିରି,
ବାରିପଦା
ବାରିପଦା
ବାରିପଦା। ଭଲ ଜାଗାରେ ରହୁଛ ତାହେଲେ ତମେ। ମଗଧ, sorry, ମେଘବାହନ ruled over which part of କୋଶଳ?
ମହାମେଘବର୍ଣ୍ଣ
ନର୍ଥ କୋଶଳ, ଇଷ୍ଟ କୋଶଳ, ସାଉଥ କୋଶଳ, ୱେଷ୍ଟ କୋଶଳ।
साउथ कोसल
ମହାମେଘବର୍ଣ୍ଣ,
ସାଉଥ କୋଶଳ
ସାଉଥ କୋଶଳ ବିଲକୁଲ। Who was the founder of ସାତବାହନ dynasty? ସାତକର୍ଣ୍ଣି 1, ସାତକର୍ଣ୍ଣି 2, ସିମୁକ, ରୁଦ୍ରଦାମନ।
ସିମୁକ
सिमुक
ସିମୁକ। Nala dynasty was centered around which modern districts of Odisha? ଗଞ୍ଜାମ ଗଜପତି, ମାଲକାନଗିରି ଗଞ୍ଜାମ, କୋରାପୁଟ କଳାହାଣ୍ଡି, କଟକ ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧା। କୋରାପୁଟ କଳାହାଣ୍ଡି। The territory of ଶୈଳୋଦ୍ଭବ dynasty was known as what? କଳିଙ୍ଗ dynasty, କଳିଙ୍ଗ ମଣ୍ଡଳ, କଙ୍ଗୋଡା ଦେଶ, କଙ୍ଗୋଡା ମଣ୍ଡଳ।
କଙ୍ଗଡା ମଣ୍ଡଳ
କଙ୍ଗଡ଼ା ଦେଶ
ମଣ୍ଡଳ
Very good, କଙ୍ଗୋଡା ମଣ୍ଡଳ। Who shifted his capital from Singhapura to Pistapura? ଉମା ବର୍ମନ, ପ୍ରଭଞ୍ଜନ ବର୍ମନ, ବିଶାଖା ବର୍ମନ, ଶକ୍ତି ବର୍ମନ।
ବିଶାଖାବର୍ମା ଶକ୍ତି ଶକ୍ତି ଶକ୍ତି
ଶକ୍ତି
ଉମା ବର୍ମନ।
ନା ନା ଶକ୍ତି ବର୍ମା
ସତରେ?
ପଢିଥିଲି ତ ଆଜି।
ସତରେ କି?
ଉମା ବର୍ମନ ଥିଲେ ସେ ନିଜକୁ କହୁଥିଲେ ଗଡ।
କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ସିଫ୍ଟ କିଏ କରିଥିଲା ତାହେଲେ? Shakti Burman, very good. Shakti Burman. Odisha came under the rule of Murunda dynasty in which year? 2nd century AD, 3rd century AD, 4th century, 5th century. ମୁରୁନ୍ଦା ଡାଇନେଷ୍ଟି ବି ଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ।
ହଁ ମୋରୁଣ୍ଡା ଥିଲେ।
କୁଆଡେ କୁଆଡେ ଥାନ୍ତି ସବୁ ଏମାନେ।
ହଁ
3rd century, 3rd century ରେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା came under the rule of Murunda dynasty.
ଫରେନ୍ କ୍ଲାନ ଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ ଏଇଟା।
In which royal dynasty of early medieval Odisha we find the rule of queens? ଶୈଳୋଦ୍ଭବ,
ଏଇଟା
ଭୌମକର, ସୋମବଂଶୀ,
ଭୌମକର
ସାତବାହନ।
ଭୌମକର
ଭୌମକର ବିଲକୁଲ। What was the contribution of Mauryan dynasty to the development of Odisha? Introduction of Shaivism, construction of temples and monasteries, patronage of arts and literature, all of these.
all of this
ଅଲ୍
लास्ट 3 नंबर
3 number, very good. Patronage of arts and literature. In Odisha, worship of Lord Shiva was introduced by which dynasty? Eastern Ganga, Somabangshi, Shailoodbhava, Bhaumakara.
ସୋମବଂଶୀ
ସୋମବଂଶୀ
सोमवंशी
Lord Shiva worship
ଶୈଳୋଦ୍ଭବ ସେ ହିଁ ତିଆରି
Shailoodbhava
କରିଥିଲେ।
dynasty. Shailoodbhava dynasty. Which famous Buddhist text was composed during the rule of Mauryan dynasty in Odisha? Lotus Sutra, Samyukta Nikaya, Prajnaparamita
ସେଇଟା
Sutra, Vimala Kirti Sutra.
ସମସ୍ତ ନିକାୟ
ପ୍ରଜ୍ଞାପାରମିତା ସୂତ୍ର। ଏମିତି ବି ସୂତ୍ର ଅଛି କି? ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଶୁଣୁଛି। For the first time, Kalinga, Utkala, Kongoda and Kosala were unified by which dynasty? Somabangshi, very good.
सोमवंशी
ଭୌମକର ଡାଇନାଷ୍ଟିର ଅଦର ନେମ୍ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? କର ଡାଇନାଷ୍ଟି, ଭୌମ ଡାଇନାଷ୍ଟି, ଚେଦି ଡାଇନାଷ୍ଟି, ମେଘ ଡାଇନାଷ୍ଟି।
ଭୌମ
कर
କର ଡାଇନାଷ୍ଟି। Who was the founder of ସର୍ଭାପୁରିଆ ଡାଇନାଷ୍ଟି? ଏମିତି ବି ଡାଇନାଷ୍ଟି ଅଛି କି? କୋଉଠି ଥିଲେ ଏମାନେ ସବୁ? ମୁଁ ତ କେବେ ଦେଖିନି। ଏପଟେ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି ବୁଲିବାକୁ ବି ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି। The founder of ସର୍ଭପୁରିଆ ଡାଇନାଷ୍ଟି. ମନମାତ୍ରା, ସୁଦେବ ରାଜ, ସରବ ରାଜ, ପ୍ରଭର ରାଜ। ସରବ ରାଜ ବିଲକୁଲ। The capital city of ancient Kosala is believed to be what? ଧରିତ୍ରୀପୁରା, ଶ୍ରୀପୁର, ସୁବର୍ଣ୍ଣପୁରା, କଳିଙ୍ଗନଗର।
कलिंग नगर
कलिंग नगर
कौन एठी श्रीपुर देइछि भूल देइछि कि
क्वेश्चन आउट रे
कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ एंशिएंट कोसଳ The capital city of Ashokas in Kalinga was what?
तोसाड़ी
Tosali. Who divided Kalinga into three divisions? Pliny, Harsha, Samudragupta, Krishnadevaraya.
समुद्रगुप्त
Pliny,
केचटा
Pliny, अरे प्लिनी सତରେ କି? In which year Huensang visited Odisha? 630,
630
645, 639, 7th century.
और 38
648
39 हो
138
639. 639. The earliest coins found in Odisha are what? Mauryan coins, Gupta coins, punch marked coins, Indo Greek coins.
इंडोग्रीक
Punch marked.
Victims.
Punch marked coins. ଆଉ trade ଆଉ commerce ର ସୂଚନା ଦିଏ ଗୁପ୍ତ coins. According to Buddhist literature, what was the capital city of Kalinga? Srimat, Dantapura, Udayagiri, Shishupalgarh.
दंतपुर
Santapura.
Tantapura.
Dantapura. Who founded the Nanda dynasty in Odisha? Dhanananda,
धनन
Mahapadmananda, Kalapa,
महापद्मानंद महापद्मानंद
Mahapadmananda.
Mahapadman.
Mahapadmananda. During which period Nanda dynasty ruled Odisha? 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th century BC.
Third. Third.
3rd century BC रे. Which inscription mentions about the irrigation projects undertaken by Nanda kings? Dhauli inscription, Jaugoda inscription, Hathigumpha inscription, Nilagiri inscription.
Jaugoda.
Hathigumpha inscription. Who was the most famous ruler of Mauryan dynasty in Odisha?
अशोक
Devabhuti.
Ashok.
ଏଠି କ'ଣ ଦେବଭୂତି ଦେଇଛି? ଆଉ କୋଉ ମୌର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ ଡାଇନେଷ୍ଟି ବି ଥିଲା କି କିଛି? Most famous ruler of Mauryan dynasty in Odisha is Devabhuti. ଭୁଲ ଥିବ ତାହେଲେ. Where did Kalinga war take place? Near Daya river, near Ong river, near Mahanadi, all of these.
Daya. Daya.
Daya river. In which rock edict was the battle of Kalinga described by Ashoka himself?
13.
13. Rock edict 13. Who was the founder of Mahamegha Bahana dynasty in Odisha?
महामेघ
Indrabahana, Sisunaga, Shatrugna, Kharavela.
Kharavela.
Kharavela. Which of the following was the another name of Mahamegha Bahana dynasty? Kadamba, Chedi, Sisunaga, Bilkul, Chedi. In which rock edict is the mention of King Kharavela mentioned? 1, 2, 7, 13.
1
7.
7. King Kharavela is mentioned in rock edict 7 of Hathigumpha inscription. What was the main religion during Gupta dynasty in Odisha? Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, all of these.
Hinduism.
All of these ଦେଇଛି ଏଠି. Main religion during Gupta dynasty. Explanation ରେ କିନ୍ତୁ Buddhism and Hinduism ଦେଇଛି. Who was the most famous ruler of Gupta dynasty in Odisha? Chandragupta I, Samudragupta, Skandhagupta, Purushottama Gupta.
समुद्रगुप्त
Samudragupta.
Samudragupta.
What was the primary language used during Gupta dynasty in Odisha? Sanskrit, Pali, Prakrit, Odia.
Pali.
Sanskrit.
Pakrit.
What was the most significant contribution of Gupta dynasty to art and culture of Odisha? Painting,
The coin.
sculpture, architecture.
Painting.
Sculpture.
Culture.
What was the capital of Mathara kingdom? Tosadi, Bardhamanpura, Sisupalgarh,
Vardhamanpura.
Bardhamanpuram.
Bardhamanpura. Who was the founder of Mathara dynasty? Pravarasena, Visakha Barman, Devabhumi,
Visakhapatnam.
Visakha
Visakhapatnam.
Barman. Mathara dynasty kings were devotees of which deity? Vishnu, Kali, Durga, Shiva.
Vishnu.
Vishnu.
Vishnu. What was the main deity worshipped by Nala dynasty? Shiva, Durga, Vishnu, Surya.
କୋଉଥିରେ ଅଛି ସାର୍ ଏ ଯୋଉ ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏବେ
କୋনଟା?
ସାର୍ ଏବେ ଯୋଉଟା ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଗୁଡା କୋଉ କୋଉ ବୁକ୍ ରେ ଅଛି
ବୁକ୍
Know your state.
ରେ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ। ହଁ नो योर स्टेट ରେ ହିଁ ଅଛି।
ପୁରା ସବୁ ଗୁଡା।
बिल्कुल।
କହିଛି ହବ
What was the main deity worshipped by Nala dynasty? Shiva, Durga, Vishnu, Surya.
सभी
ବିଷ୍ଣୁ
Vishnu। ତ ଆଜି ଯୋଉଟା ପଚରା ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଇଠୁ ହିଁ ବେଶୀ ଆସୁଛି ତ ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା ହିଁ ଏବେ ଟିକେ କରୁଛି। ମନେ ପଡୁଛି ପିଟିଥିଲି ମନେ ପଡୁଛି। Who was the most famous king of Nala dynasty? Indradyumna, Ananta Barmana, Varaha Raja, Bhanudev.
ବରାହ
Varaha Raja was the most famous king of Nala dynasty. Who was the founder of Nala dynasty? Vrishabhadwaja, Varaha Raja, Ananta Barman. Most famous king, sorry, who was the founder of Nala dynasty? Vrishabhadwaja. Easily ମନେ ରହିବ ଭି ରେ ଅଛି Nala dynasty. Most famous king Varaha Raja. Founder ହେଲେ Vrishabhadwaja. Who was the last ruler of Megha dynasty? Indradyumna,
ମହେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମେଘ।
Mahendra Megha. बिल्कुल।
ମହେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମେଘ
Who founded Shailoddhava dynasty? Ananta Barman, Ranabhita, Bhanudev.
ରଣଭିତ।
ରଣଭିତ
बिल्कुल।
ରଣଭିଟ।
ରଣଭିତ
What was the capital of Shailoddhava dynasty? Tosadi, Kongada, Dholi, Sisupalgarh.
କଳିଙ୍ଗ
Kongada.
କଙ୍ଗଡ଼।
Kongada. Who was the last ruler of Shailoddhava dynasty? Narsimha Deva 1, Madhyam Raj 3, Shailoddhava Bhanudev. Madhyam Raj 3, बिल्कुल। Which temple in Odisha was built by Shailoddhava dynasty? Lingaraj, Parsurameswar, Jagannath, Konark Sun Temple.
ଲିଙ୍ଗ
ପରଶୁରାମେଶ୍ୱର।
ପରଶୁରାମ
Parsurameswar, बिल्कुल। Who founded Bhaumakara dynasty in Odisha? Sarala Das, Udyata Kesari, Balabhadra Bhauma,
उद्धत केसरी
ଉଦ୍ୟତ କେଶରୀ ତ ନାହିଁ। ଉଦ୍ୟତ କେଶରୀ ନୁହେଁ।
Bhauma। କଣ କେଜାଣି ଭଗବାନ ଜାଣେ।
से लास्ट ऑप्शन
କାଶମେତ
ବିଷ୍ଣୁକର
କ୍ଷମା
ହେଲା କ୍ଷମଣ କର
କୋଉ
ଦେବ,
dynasty?
ହେଲା କ୍ଷମଣ କର ଦେବ।
ବ୍ରହ୍ମକର।
ହଁ
କ୍ଷମ
ହଁ
କରିଦେବ
କ୍ଷମା କରିଦେବ। ଠିକ ଠିକ।
କ୍ଷମଣ କର ଦେବ। What was the capital of Bhaumakara dynasty? Barhampur, Guhadev Pataka, Dholi, Iktapura.
ଦେବ ପାଟକ।
Guhadev Pataka. Who was the last ruler of Bhaumakara dynasty? Balabhadra Bhauma, Subhakara Deva 5, Sarala Das.
ଶୁଭକର ଦେବ।
बिल्कुल Subhakara Deva 5. Which temple in Odisha was built by Bhaumakara dynasty? Important. Lingaraj, Vaitala Deva,
ଲିଙ୍ଗରାଜ।
Mukteswara, Jagannath.
ଆରେ ନା ନା।
ମୁକ୍ତେଶ୍ୱର
Vaitala Deula temple. Vaitala Deula temple in Odisha was built by Bhaumakara dynasty. Who was the first woman ruler of Bhaumakara dynasty? Tribhuvana Mahadevi, Gauri
ତ୍ରିଭୁବନ
Mahadevi,
ମହାଦେବୀ
Tribhuvana
ଏକ
Mahadevi. Who built Gauri temple at Bhubaneswar? Tribhuvana
गौरी महादेवी
ତ୍ରିଭୁବନ ମହାଦେବୀ।
Gauri
नहीं
Mahadevi.
गौरी महादेवी
Gauri
Gauri
Mahadevi built Gauri temple at Bhubaneswar. Who founded Somavamsi dynasty? Yayati I, Udayana, Indravarman I,
ଯଜାତି
Mahabhoj.
Udayana.
ଯଜାତି
Society
ୱାନ୍।
one.
ना उदयन उदयन
Udayana.
जयती करथिले लिंगराज टेम्पल
What was the capital of Somavamsi dynasty? Konark, Puni, Yayati Nagara, Dhauli.
Nagara.
Yayati Nagara, बिल्कुल. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନର ସୋନପୁର ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟର ବିନକା ଜାଗା. Who built Lingaraj temple in Odisha? Eastern Ganga dynasty, Somavamsi dynasty, Bhaumakara,
ସୋମବଂଶୀ।
सोमवंशी
Somavamsi dynasty. Who was the last ruler of Somavamsi dynasty? Ananga Bhimadeva, Udyota Kesari, Yayati I, Ananta Barman Chodaganga Deva.
Udyata Kesari.
ଉଦ୍ୟତ କେଶରୀ।
Udyota Kesari. Ashoka became Buddhist after was horrified with the tyranny of Kalinga War in which year?
261
261
261 BC. In which century Lingaraj temple was built in Odisha? 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th.
1100
11
1100
11th century. Lingaraj temple was built by which of the following kings? Yayati II, Anantavarman
Yayati-
Chodaganga.
ये जति 2
ଯଜାତି 2
Yayati II. In which century Kalinga was conquered by Samudragupta? 3rd century BC, 3rd century AD, 4th century BC, 4th century AD.
3rd century
BC.
BC
4th century
AD, 3rd century AD. Who was the last ruler of Gajapati dynasty in Odisha? Mukunda Deva, Kakharua Deva, Purushottam
କଖାର ଦେବ।
Kakharua Deva. Who founded Gajapati dynasty in Odisha? Ananga Bhima Deva, Kapilendra Deva, Prataparudra Deva, Purushottam
कपिलेंद्र देव
Kapilendra Deva. Who wrote Mahabharata in Odia language during Gajapati dynasty? Sarala Das.
ସାରଳା ଦାସ।
Sarala Das, बिल्कुल. Gajapati dynasty ruled over Kalinga from which year to which year? 1434 ରୁ 1534, 1434 ରୁ 1541, 1534 ରୁ 1568, 1468 ରୁ 1534.
1541
to 1541
Very good. 1434 ରୁ 1541. Who was the most powerful king during Gajapati dynasty? Kapilendra Deva, Purushottam
କପିଳେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଦେବ।
Kapilendra Deva. Sri Chaitanya visited Odisha during which reign? Eastern Ganga dynasty, Suryavanshi, Bhaumakara, Gajapati.
गजपति
ଇଷ୍ଟର୍ଣ୍ଣ
Gajapati
Ganga.
dynasty, Gajapati dynasty. Krishna Deva Rai attacked Udayagiri fort in which year? 1509, 12, 13, 29.
1509.
1509
1512, 1512 ରେ. Prataparudra Deva signed a peace treaty with which king? Krishna Deva Rai.
Krishnadevaraya.
देवराय
Krishna Deva
Krishna
Rai.
Deva Rai.
Kuli Kutab Saha invaded Odisha in which year? 1513, 22, 24, 29.
22
22 ରେ.
1522.
1522. Gajapati empire was divided into several provinces called as what? Grama, Sabha, Dandapata, none of the above.
ଦଣ୍ଡପତ
ଦଣ୍ଡପାଟ.
Dandapata.
Dandapata. What was the dynasty that ruled during Sarala Yuga period in Odisha? Gajapati, Suryavamshi, Chandela, Hoysala.
ଗଜପତି
Gajapati. Who founded Eastern Ganga dynasty in Odisha? Ananta Barman, Chodaganga Deva. What was the main language used during Sarala Yuga period in Odisha?
संस्कृत की
Odia.
ଓଡ଼ିଆ.
What was the capital of Eastern Ganga dynasty in Odisha? Sisupalgada, Kalinganagar, Tosali, Konarka.
କଳିଙ୍ଗନଗର
कलिंग नगर. Who built the famous Konark temple in Bhubaneswar during Eastern Ganga dynasty?
ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ କୋଣାର୍କ
नरसिंह देव 1. बिल्कुल.
କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଅଛି ହେଲେ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ କୋଣାର୍କ ଟେମ୍ପଲ
Konark temple, not in Bhubaneswar, was built by whom? When was Eastern Ganga dynasty founded in Odisha? 8th, 11th, 12th, 14th century.
15 12
11th century. एमती क्वेश्चन आसुची एबे तो पूरा जानिबा दरकार. What was the main language spoken by Eastern Ganga dynasty in Odisha? Odia. Odia. Jayadeva, great poet, flourished during whose reign? Chodoganga Deva, Raja Raja II, Ananga Bhima Deva III, Narasingha Deva. Raja Raja II, बिल्कुल. Which style of temple building was prevalent during Eastern Ganga dynasty in Odisha? Dravidian, Nagara, Brahmana, Rekhatulya.
ନଗର
Nagara. Who built Jagannath temple in Odisha? Eastern Ganga dynasty, which dynasty? Eastern Ganga. Ganga Empire was divided into various provinces known as what? Nayaka, Mandala, Visaya, Kingdom.
ବିଷୟ
Visaya, बिल्कुल. Who founded Bhoi dynasty in Odisha? Govinda Vidyadhara, Baliyar Sikh,
ଗୋବିନ୍ଦ
Ramachandra Bhanja, Govinda Vidyadhara. Who dynasty ପରେ ଆସିଥିଲା Bhoi dynasty?
ଗଜପତି
Gajapati. What was the capital of Bhoi dynasty in Odisha? Puri, Dholi, Konark, Khordha.
ଧଉଳି
Khordha. Khordha ଥିଲା. सुलेमान खान अटैक करथिले खोर्धा केते मसियारे 1497 1568 1697 1797 1568 किए मुकुंद देवଙ୍କୁ मारिथिले प्रतापरुद्र देव सुलेमान खान पुरुषोत्तम दास
ସୁଲେମାନ
खान बिल्कुल सुलेमान खान who was the first to establish Muslim rule in Odisha? कला पहाड़ सिकंदर शाह सुलेमान करणी ग्यासुद्दीन आजम शाह सुलेमान करणी बैटल ऑफ तुकारुई केबे हितला 1551 1575 1760 1764 75 बिल्कुल कहा कहा भीतर हितला मुघल और करणी डायनेस्टी कौन कटि गला नेटवर्क आसुनी के सुबुची की who was the first Mughal emperor to invade Odisha? Babur, Akbar, Humayun, Jahangir. Akbar. What was the capital of Mughal empire in Odisha? Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Puri, Jajpur. Cuttack. Which Mughal emperor is known for his religious tolerance and administrative reforms in Odisha? Akbar. Who was the Mughal emperor during Akbar? कौन पचरची को बैटल हेतला between Mughal and Odia army during Mughal era? प्लासी, हल्दीघाटी, धारासेना, राजमहल. बैटल ऑफ राजमहल 1576. Who was the governor of Who was the governor of Odisha during Akbar's reign? Man Singh, Mirza Kokam, Todar Malla, Abdul Rahim Khani Khana.
ଖାଲି
ମାନସିଂ ଥିଲା